The present muscle vehicle is something beyond a crotchety face with a howling V8 exhaust note. The Camaro's best party stunt used to just occur with the directing wheel straight, yet current body innovation makes Chevy's just four-seater sports roadster an interesting dance accomplice. Accessible as a hard-shell roadster or delicate top convertible, the Camaro packs some serious character. Power has three levels, beginning with a 275 horsepower turbocharged inline-four, moving forward to a 335 horsepower V6, and heightening to a 455 horsepower V8 from the C7 Corvette. The ongoing 6th-era Camaro is getting up there in age, as it has out-endured the Cadillac ATS stage it depends on by somewhere around 5 years. While its most seasoned foe, the enters another age completely changed for 2023, the Camaro remains to a great extent the equivalent, however we are not griping. Evaluating and which one to purchase. As we would see it, the most effective way to encounter any new Camaro is the SS with the discretionary 1-track execution bundle. It adds particular appearance pieces, for example, dark painted 20-inch haggles, dark outside complements, as well as remarkable inside bits that incorporate micro-suede trim and more steady Recaro front seats. Notwithstanding, the main overhauls are the ones that influence execution. Each one has a double-mode exhaust framework, upgraded powertrain cooling parts, all the more remarkable brakes, a restricted slip differential, and extraordinary suspension tuning that finds some kind of harmony of not too delicate, not too firm, however spot on for track day activity. While we love that even models with the 4-chamber and V6 motors offer a 1-la bundle, we decide to coordinate the best body equipment with the 1 SS trim that main accompanies the generous V8. That choice would harmonize with picking the standard manual transmission, obviously. Motor, transmission, and execution. The base 275 horsepower 4-chamber isn't slow. We tried a manual model that demonstrated shockingly speedy. Be that as it may, lopsided choke reactions and disagreeable, unsporting sounds consign it to the financial plan purchaser's decision. Then again, moving up to the 335 horsepower V6 totally changes the vehicle's personality. The Gutsy 6 has its own unmistakably burning soundtrack. The Camaro LT1 and SS include Chevy's notorious little block V8, with 455 pull and 455 pound-feet of force. Its gigantic low-end force, straight power conveyance, and chest-packing speed increase are improved by the discretionary double-mode exhaust, which ejects with a sharp bark at startup and loud sounds during completely open choke impacts.